Hi guys, what's up? Hope you are all set. I am Mr. Habibur Rahman with your host. Today I will explain Mesothelioma law firm. What is Mesothelioma law firm and how does it works? So guys, let's start it. If we know about Mesothelioma law firm, at first we go to Google and here I write Mesothelioma law firm. I write here and enter. Guys, here you see the best mesothelioma law and asbestos law firm. Okay, we click here. Guys, here you see mesothelioma.com and here you learn about mesothelioma, what is mesothelioma law firm and how does it works. Here you see mesothelioma treatment, asbestos express, veterans, legal help about this website. Okay, so guys, we see at first what is mesothelioma law firm and how does it work. A mesothelioma law firm provides legal help for asbestos exposure victims. The best firm have years of experience in asbestos lawyer and mesothelioma cases. They can file lawsuits and other claims to help victims to get the compensation they deserve. Contact with top mesothelioma law firm. Here you click. Okay. What is mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firm specialize in asbestos. What is mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firm specialize in asbestos litigation. Top mesothelioma lawyers provide legal support to victims of asbestos exposure and their loved ones. They can help file person injury and wrongful death lawsuits, as well as purpose other legal actions such as asbestos trust fund claim. Mesothelioma law firm law is a highly specialized field. Choosing from the best mesothelioma law firm is important for winning financial compensation. Mesothelioma lawyers working with the people diagnosed with malignant mesothelioma. They know the injury, the unique circumstance of people living with the rare cancer. Their effectors with minimize the burdens on victims. The best mesothelioma lawyers will handle every step of the legal process, which allow victims to focus on treatments and spending time with their loved ones. Why work with a law firm specialized in mesothelioma cases? Asbestos laws are complex and may vary from state to state. Law firms that specialized in mesothelioma cases understand the details of asbestos litigation. Mesothelioma lawyers have the resource and experience needed to handle every aspect of a legal case. These include everything from filing the case to negotiating a settlement, to winning a verdict at trial. Mesothelioma comprehensive can help you and your family pay for medical care and other expenses, including end of life care, financial support for family members, hospital visit, travel, accommodation, treatment cost. Choosing an asbestos law firm. It is important to find a mesothelioma law firm that can meet your needs. Your lawyers should give you confidence you are pushing the best of for compensation. There are several reasons Why you should choose a law firm specialized in asbestos cases. Free case evaluation and no upfront legal fees. Top asbestos attorneys offer a free consultation to discuss your legal options. They can answer questions and provide insight into available components options. There are no obligation when you received a consultation, and many law firms work on a contingency fee basis. This means the law firm will only receive payment if you win compensation. Experience winning mesothelioma cases. Your law firm should have demonstrated success winning mesothelioma lawsuit. The best mesothelioma law firms have a track record of obtaining large statement and jury award. Experienced law firms also have extensive knowledge of asbestos trust fund and how to file a successful mesothelioma claim. Individual attention and support from mesothelioma lawyers. A team of mesothelioma attorney will be assigned to your case to listen to your story. Dedicated attorneys should be able during every step of the process. They will handle filing your lawsuit, be present at all court processing, and inform you about the progress of your case. Your lawyers will not ask you to travel. Top mesothelioma lawyers will focus on your comfort and will travel to you to deal with any a person matters. The support of dedicated legal team allow you to focus on treatment and time with your loved ones. Extensive knowledge of the asbestos industry. Mesothelioma attorneys have extensive knowledge about asbestos components, asbestos product, and high-risk occupations. They can gather evidence regathering when and how you were exposed to asbestos. They also understand asbestos law and regulation, a thorough understanding of mesothelioma. The best asbestos law firms understand malignant mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestos-related disease. Top mesothelioma lawyers and their team are educated on the latest treatments and clinical trials. They can also contact you with mesothelioma doctors and cancer center. Navigation representation. Top mesothelioma law firms are licensed to practice across the country. Your lawyers should consider your including individual circumstance and their you asbestos exposure occurred. They can help determine the best place of file your case. Did you know mesothelioma patients and their families don't have to pay and any money upfront when publishing a legal claim? An experienced law firm will provide a fee case evaluation to determine your claim option. Contact with a top mesothelioma lawyers today. What to expect when working with a mesothelioma law firm? Top mesothelioma law firm value your input and have your best interest in mind. You should work with trustworthy attorneys who will listen to your story, explain the legal process, and meet your unique needs. Your legal team should communicate with you often and keep you updated on the progress of your cases. Attentive lawyers can ensure you receive maximum comprehension as quickly as possible. When choosing a mesothelioma law firm, the process begins with an introductory meeting. The first meeting or fee consultation covers. Any question about the legal process, information and details about the asbestos exposure, potential option of compensation, any other question or concern you have. After your fee case review, you can decide how to proceed with your case. If you choose to move forward, your mesothelioma attorneys can begin the process of filing your claim. Question to ask your mesothelioma law firm. When choosing a law firm, it is important to get to know the legal team. During your consultation, you should ask questions to better understand their qualifications. Common questions to help you understand the legal process and learn more about your law firm include: can you discuss a few asbestos cases your firm has successfully litigated? How does your firm approach mesothelioma cases? How is your firm different from other law firms they handle asbestos result? What are the costs associated with hiring your law firm? Which attorneys will be assigned to my case and what experience do they have? Your office are not located in the state I live in. Will that be a problem? Understanding legal team. Complaint, the first format action taken to start a lawsuit. It outlines the legal and factual basis for the lawsuit. Assigned, the defendant. The individual or any legal action is began taken assigned. Directory, the collection and change of information prior or trial. Plaintiff, the person or group filing the lawsuit. Recovery, the compensation awarded to the plaintiff. Venue, the place where the mesothelioma case is filed and handled. Step the legal process. Getting compensations may seem overclaiming for you and your loved ones. Mesothelioma Law Firm provide you with an experienced team to guide you through the following steps. Researching your occupational and medical history. Your law firm will build you case through in deep research and evidence. Research can include gathering the claiming medical records, occupational history information, and military service records. Determining recovery option. Your law firm will be look into avenue of financial compensation. Common recovery options include personal injury and wrongful death lawsuit. Other options may include asbestos trust fund, VA claim, and work compensation. Selecting a venue. After choosing the best recovery option, the law firm will determining the proper venue to file your claim. Your lawyer may be able to file a lawsuit in any location in which you reside, work, or served in the military. Filing the lawsuit, your law firm will file a formal complaint on your behalf. The complaint states the legal cases of action assigned one of our asbestos complaints. Navigation, the discovery phase. After filing a complaint, your law firm will present information to the defense. Your lawyer present to evidence through writing documents and or oral testimony. Your lawyer will also request documents the defendant have access to that are relevant to the case. In many cases, the law firm will focus on reaching a statement during the period. Receiving financial compensation. Many mesothelioma lawsuits result in asbestos statements before the set trial date. If you choose to not settle, you can move forward with the lawsuit and seek a trial resolution. Top-rated mesothelioma law firm in the US. The best law firms will make you feel comfortable and supported throughout the legal process. Top mesothelioma attorneys are dedicated to your case and have the experience necessary to win. Early ELSM service client nationwide. Office in Edwardville, IL, New Haven City, New Orleans, LA, New York, NY, Orlando, FL, ST, Louis, MO, Torrance, CA, Washington, DC. Recognized by Best Lawyers, Martindale Habel Super Lawyers, US News and World Report. Early, locally, Sweeney and Melsen Cothen. ELSM has represent more than 3,000 individuals impacted by asbestos exposure. ELSM has more than 40 years of experience in asbestos litigation. Their law firm will work tirelessly on behalf of their clients' legal rights. The Gori Law Firm service clients nationwide. Office in Elton, IL, Billyville, IL, Edwardsville, IL, Grand Hill City, IL, New Orleans, LA, New York, NY, Orlando, FL, ST, Peters, MO, Torrance, CA, Washington, DC. Recognized by super lawyers, nation trials lawyers, the American Society of Legal Advocates. The Gori law firm has helped thousands of clients recover mesothelioma compensations. Over the past 15 years, the firm's lawyers have recovered more than $3 billion in victim and settlement. Attorneys at the Gori law firm have the knowledge and resource to fight negligent asbestos companies. Simons Henley Conry serves clients nationwide. Office in Elton, IL, Chicago, IL, EI, Segundo, CA, New York, NY, ST, Louis, MO. Recognized by best lawyers, super lawyers, US News and World Report. Simons Henley Conry is one of the top asbestos law firm in the United States. The firm is commitment to helping individuals and families affected by the asbestos related disease. For more than 20 years, the firm has recovered billions of dollars in asbestos victims and settlements on behalf of their clients. Law Office of Dean Omar Barnham and Shirley. Law Office DOBS serves clients nationwide. Office in Dallas, TX, Indianapolis, IN. Recognized by super lawyers, national trial lawyers. The Law Office of Dream, Omar, Barnham, and Shirley are dedicated to helping mesothelioma patients to get compensation. The firms of lawyers are experienced in fighting unsafe working conditions and negligent asbestos campaigns. Landry and Sawyer. Landry and Sawyer serve clients Louisiana. Office in New Orleans, LA. Recognized by super lawyers. Landy and Sawyer's experienced mesothelioma lawyers have been serving mesothelioma clients in Louisiana for more than 20 years. The firm specialized in asbestos litigation and mesothelioma lawsuit. Landry and Sawyer provide personalized attention to meet clients' needs. Mesothelioma Law Firm Directory. Here we see the Mesothelioma law firm directory. Common question about Mesothelioma law firms. Question: how do you know if a Mesothelioma law firm is reputable? Answer: some quick research can tell you a Mesothelioma law firm is reputable. Easy way to check if a law firm is legitimate include Bar Association websites. Each state has a bar association website with profiles of licensed attorneys. The profile will state whether a person is currently listened to practical and any disciplinary action against them. Law firm website. Checking a law firm website for the quickly and any awards or certification is also a good way to vet lawyers. Third party rating site. Third party lawyers rating sites such as Best Lawyers and Super Lawyers also exist. This can help assure you of a mesothelioma lawyer's qualifications. Google search. A quick Google search can bring up news about a firm that may be missing from other source. Question: can a family members hire an asbestos law firm for an asbestos case? Answer: in the case of a personal injury lawsuit, the injured party must hire an asbestos law firm. If the injured party is deceased, a family member may hire an asbestos law firm to file a wrongful death lawsuit. The family or a deceased victim may also be able to file an asbestos trust fund claim. Certain type of VA claims and or a workers' compensations. An asbestos law firm can help victims and their loved ones understand their option for compensation. Question: how do I choose a good mesothelioma law firm? Answer: there are several things to look for when choosing an mesothelioma law firm. To find the best mesothelioma law firm to represent your case, it is important to keep in mind expertise. A good mesothelioma law firm will have experience litigating asbestos case. Experience is important to ensure the firm has legal expertise in the specific practice area. It is also important to consider their level of success in winning cases and settlements, how they treat you. You should pay attention to the way the firm lawyers treat you as you consider hiring them. It is important to hire a law firm that you are comfortable working with. Legal fee structure. They should also offer a fee-free consultation. You should be worried or any firm upfront for legal fees for mesothelioma cases. So guys, learn more about your legal rights. If you want to learn more about your legal rights, fill in this address, city, state, zip code, and then click continue. Okay. I say again, if you want to more than about mesothelioma law firm, drop here your address, city, state, zip code, and then click continue. You know the mesothelioma about legal rights. So guys, this video is finished for today. See you again. Bye bye.